guys, it's Ashley from Not Into Reviews, and today we're unboxing the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for June. Yes, June. Ah! Anyway, if you're not familiar with this, this is from Ipsy, who did the Glam Bag, which is $12 a month. This is their Glam Bag Plus, which is $25 a month, includes 5 full-size items, one of which you will select. It is customizable. And additionally, they also do the Ultimate, but I don't know a whole lot about that. FYI, before we get into this, talk about it, anything, I want to let you guys know that they do send this to me for review. However, this is not paid. It's not sponsored. It's not sponsored. It's not affiliate. I don't get any money for this. I just get the box. FYI. I will link down below to Ipsy if you're interested in checking them out. I will also link to my review on my blog where we will go in depth, and we'll also do a price breakdown. I really like to do that in these because they are full-sized items. And so you can actually figure out what you're getting in this box. It's just, would you purchase it yourself? You know what I mean? Every month, this ends up being a killer deal, and I love it. So anyway, without further ado, we're going to get in here. Discover yourself. There's always this orange egg carton deal. The Ipsy Glam Bag Plus comes with a drawstring bag. And this month, do you. Bold moves. This month, amp up everything that makes you happy. Glitter, liners, rainbow accents. You celebrate the beauty that comes from being you. So there's that. There's our bag. It's got rainbows, love, all that stuff. And then, you know, fun. Everything should fit inside here too. Sometimes it doesn't, but that's okay. I forgive you, Ipsy. All right. They don't list their items on here ever since COVID. I think it's a COVID thing, but there's that. But there's our insert. And then we have, first of all, we have a brush set. Oh my gosh. What is this? Miss Glam. Rainbow Luxe set. Stay Spark. I'm having a really hard time reading it because it's on like a frosted bag and it's all, ooh, okay. But the brushes look super cute and I can't wait to go. All right. Look at them. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 brushes. And they're all like glitter. The handles are glitter. There's a silver ferrule, but there is little blue rhinestone accents in them. And then they do have the name. Okay, I'm trying to figure out. It's Miss Glam. But I think there's an SL on it. Am I wrong? Like, am I crazy? Am I imagining Slimmest Glam? I don't know that brand. That's a new to me brand. So this is your powder brush here, and the brushes are named. This is your Precise Eye brush right here. And then there's your tapered face brush. Pretty. I love the colors, like orange and pink. Very summery. And you guys know I love orange, and you don't see that a lot. Eye blender and eyeshadow. So there are 2 face brushes, 3 eye brushes. Very cool. Love that. All right. Next up, Yahoo! I love that. I love getting brushes. I was just laying them out and looking at them all. They're so pretty. Next up, we have the Mud Masky Dark Circles, Puffy Eyes, Fine Wrinkles, Dry Skin, Swelling, Serum Infused Eye Mask. So this is a mask. I do have this already. I don't know where I got it. But it's one that you're not gonna leave it on and just, it's not an eye cream, it's an eye mask. So you are gonna want to take it off. I think it's like 10 minutes. Wouldn't you know? I can't find it now. How long do you leave it on? Oh no, there it is. Leave on for 8 minutes. There you go. 8 minutes. All right, next up. Am I being loud? I feel like Bolly Balm. This is the lemon and black pepper lip balm. These are really nice. I got one of these. I have one of these, but it's not this. It's like a grapefruit, I feel like. I love these. Look at it's like super thick, and that smells. I love lemon. You guys know that. Lemon, like anything citrus, like, oh, look how like it's just such a like juicy product. Like, I do love these. These are great. All right, so there's that. So it's our 3rd item. Let's move on to our 4th. If I can get it. All right. This is from Benefit. This is the Professional Super Setter. This multitasking microfine mist leaves skin feeling smooth, refreshed, and hydrated. So this is a setting spray. Huh. There's that. part of me thinks that one of the items that was in my glam bag that I'm reviewing was actually supposed to be in my plus box. So this, because this is a sample size. So if that is true, I'll put in a little informational bit at the end of this video and let you guys know for sure, because this is a sample size and that's not customary in the, but they put 5 samples in the bag. I was like, oh, cool. They split it up this month. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. But I'm guessing this is a sample size of that, and it's supposed to be in my glam bag. All right, final item. I will let you guys know at the end of the video. All right, this is from Foxy Bay. This is a 12-in-1 Magic Daily Leave-In Hair Mask with biotin, sulfate, and paraben free. This is 6 ounces. This, I love getting these kinds of products because for my hair, I need this stuff. We get a lot of like heat tool sprays, dry shampoos. They're not quite as useful for me. Like dry shampoo, like I could literally go, even after putting hair oil in my hair, I could go like a month without washing my hair and nobody would be the wiser. I mean, I would know, it would be gross, but nobody would know otherwise. This kind of stuff, hair masks, all that stuff, they're wonderful. They make my hair so nice and curly and beautiful. So you apply a quarter-size amount onto damp hair from the middle of the strand and work your way down. Leave it in your hair and watch it work its magic all day long, safe to air dry or blow out. So there is that. They have Manoi oil, which adds shine, shea butter, which hydrates and nourishes, the sativa protein enhances volume, the argan oil controls frizz, the baobab extract helps repair damage, macadamia oil softens and creates silkiness, the coconut oil detangles and prevents split ends, amla oil is gives you fuller and natural body. The subaki oil preserves and protects color. Patanga oil makes your scalp healthier. The biotin helps fortify and strengthen. And the kukui oil is a thermal heat protectant. So it's got like tons and tons of great ingredients. I'm definitely going to try this out. I actually want to smell it. Let's smell it together. Why not? You know it smells good. All these products for your hair. Always it has like a creamy... I'm smelling a lot of the lemon from that. So let's do this. Yeah, it has like a creamy, sugary smell, which is kind of different, but also very nice. I don't mind it at all. Like I said, I will put a little disclaimer at the end of the video and let you guys know if I did mix it up. I'll double check with Ipsy. It happens. I'm human. We're allowed to make mistakes, right? Anyway, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.